Hey guys, here's Louie. Well, I've been working really hard on Ladybird here. I paint her Friday of last week, and today is Monday of the following week. So, here it is. Okay, here she goes. I have done a ton. Marker lights are on in. The Pontiac deck lid emblem in. Bird on the gas tank in. Gas tank door. Hopefully I will have time to put the lock. I have the tail lights just sitting there for now. I still have to do a little bit of cleaning on them. Then I'll do the final installation. Car is looking amazing. Really awesome. Okay. I still also have to do the door handle, the locks, if I could get to it. I hope so. And I have to put the louvers in. The holes are already cut out. I just need to put the louvers in. But so far, so good. And will you check that out? Who don't love that first generation Pontiac nose? Huh? With the hood tack. So guys, I'm gonna keep on plugging away. This is just an update, but I really feel I have done a lot with these couple of days here. I installed a brand new chrome bumper from OER. Okay, wasn't bad at all. Fits pretty nice. The grills are original. I fixed them. They was broken in certain places. I plastic welded them, and there they go. I mean, they look awesome. Okay, I have my headlight buckets still on the garage floor I need to install. I'm waiting for the emblem that says Pontiac for the grill to install, and I need my marker lights to install. Windshield wipers, the transmission arms I need to install. The side view mirror, but trust me, it's little things here and there compared to the big project of painting her and putting her back together. Let me tell you something. Honestly, I wish this was my bird. Because I think she's a really good looking bird. I'm excited. I'm proud of myself for putting this car together. And Scott is the gentleman that owns this car, the Ladybird. Well, Scott, I hope you're excited to come here in a couple of weeks to Pennsylvania. I will be filming him arriving, him looking at the car. We're going to go through the car and everything. And a little interview we will do with Scott towards the end of that video. But guys, what made me feel more happy than anything is I made his dream come true, and I was able to save another bird that a lot of people told him it could not be saved. Okay. Well, guys, just a small update. Like I always say, keep your hands dirty, and I promise you, your project will move forward. Take care now. Bye-bye.